Unity of opposites. This is the secret message for today's pour painting, and this one is double secret because you can't read it at all. It's secret even for me. Hey guys, Olga Savi here and welcome to new acrylic pouring video. So today's piece I want to be bright, bold and beautiful. This is diptych, 2 panels, each one is 12 by 24 inches and one is going to be white, another one is going to be black, and I want to add some beautiful red design on these 2 panels, so it's going to be very contrasting, one of the most contrasting color combinations, black, white and red. And it's going to be part of Breaking Through the Limits series, but I want to give it a new twist today. With the ring, it's going to be, I want to use it in a bit different way. So you'll see everything just in a moment. And by the way, technically this color, just a little secret for you, this is not black. This is a mixture of black and a few other dark colors, just like how it works better. But it will dry just like black. So I'm gonna still remain all the beautiful contrast. I'm gonna cover everything with the nice and even base coat. Let's make it quick today. And it's all done, just need to torch it out now. Quickly pop the air bubbles. See that I need a touch more white here. And my base colors are mixed the same way as the colors that I'm gonna use over, with just water. And as always, all the color names, links, and all the good info in the description. So what is gonna happen next? So right now I'm gonna bring these 2 babies closer, just really make them connected. And I'm gonna use this huge lid to create a ring. And I'm really into yin-yang designs as a concept for my composition. You know, I use it a lot in many of my paintings. So today I'm gonna implement some yin-yang in this piece again. I'm gonna create a red ring. I will spin it to really intermix some of that white and dark color, but I'm not gonna have any flow go through the ring. It's gonna be just on the outer edge of it. And let's see how that turns out. So I am dipping the one of the, okay, I should put stuff out of my way. I'm dipping one edge of this lid in red color. I'm telling you, all around objects in my home are not safe anymore. They all in danger of being dipped in paint and used for making fluid painting from Breaking Through the Limits series. I don't know how well I dipped everything. Shouldn't really be perfect for this idea. Okay, so I want to get in the center here. Just gonna place it, and the lid doesn't sit flat on the surface, it has that rim. And then I'm gonna spin this. I'm gonna spin. I hope that some of the white will get into the black into the white. I'm not 100% sure it happens. Okay. I need to, before you remove your round object, always pop the film first. Okay, kind of a little bit of white got in there, but not exactly, not as much as I would like. Should I just add a little bit, do it again? Okay, I'm gonna just dip some white here, drip some white I should say. And this dark color I don't have in the bottle, so I'm just gonna try to dip with the mixing stick. Okay, I'm gonna just try to go over again. Let's see how that works. And I really don't mind if my ring gets really nice and thick. I think this is gonna be very much oriental. Gonna have this oriental energy. I actually like this a lot already. Next, I want to add some red fragments on the outer corner of these panels. I think I can move them a bit further again. And I have a few different shades of red here. So the first one is Quinacridone Scarlet. I want to add a hint of darker, so red violet to create some shadows. Okay. Some copper mixed with red. This is iridescent orange. And I also want to add a bit more of that red that I used in the ring. Okay. Did you see what just happened? Never carry your cups over. Dang. I'm not gonna touch it for now. I want to blow it out first and see, maybe I actually like it. Okay, and I need to add some white in here and dark color in there. Okay, let's blow it out and see how it turns out. Holy smokes, this is dramatic. Okay, I need to make this corner just a notch lighter. See, my paint is pushing the ring a little bit. Let's blow it out and maybe I'll fix this part later. Super cool and dramatic. I made that corner lighter and this one I need to make darker. Need more red on this side. Just because of different density, the way that the color reacts with white is quite different than with dark. That's why this part is a bit wider. Wow, this one is one dramatic diptych. Holy smokes. I did remove most of the drips that I got inside of the circle. I left a little bit, and kind of like this movement that it creates. I also shifted some dark in my white and white in the dark, and it really gets this very dynamic feel, and I also like how it balances everything out. Okay, let's see how it dries. The colors will become deeper, darker, more contrasting, and yeah, I will be right back. You guys keep watching. This painting has got it all. The contrast, gorgeous cells and lacing, beautiful, striking colors, and very modern look. And of course, not to mention the ring, the breaking through the limit ring. So I think this diptych has sort of a combination of oriental vibe and modern look. So it's modern oriental. That's how it looks to me. What do you guys think? What kind of vibe are you getting from this outcome? And I have worked on the center a little more, added a few details and worked on the ring itself a bit more. And of course I covered this beauty with epoxy resin for glass-like shiny finish. I really love this section here at the top. With all these gorgeous details and lacing. I like that it's also very airy and soft, which makes this whole contrast even more bold and striking. Tell me, what do you think? How do you like the outcome, the concept, the whole composition and layout? I'll chat with you in the comments down below. And before you go, I have an important news. Right now, our acrylic pouring online course is on holiday sale. We're super excited to offer a holiday sale. So you can use a coupon ART20 to get $20 off the course. And this is the course where we go everything about acrylic pouring, literally from A to Z. So paint mixing, consistency, supplies, techniques, and by the way, I have a very detailed video there about the resin application. So super detailed resin tutorial in case this is something that you want to learn and implement in your pouring practice. So ART20 to get $20 off. I will include the details and information in the description under the video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Take care and stay creative. Bye bye!